Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video, I'm going to answer your questions about independent living or anything related to living alone since I've been doing this for 3 years already. So ayun, I'm going to answer your questions as I go on with my day. Like, I'm gonna be doing chores, I'm gonna do the laundry, I'm gonna be cleaning since it has been days since nahayaan ko tong kondo na to and medyo gumulo na siya, guys. Na busy ako. But anyway, I'm just gonna eat leftovers for breakfast. Baksilog for breakfast. This feels like hanging out with you guys throughout the whole day. Some of you guys are asking me, do you ever get scared na baka may multo? Well, let me tell you. Okay, so back when I was a kid, I was super scared to be left alone sa isang room. Let alone like sleeping. Sobrang matakotin akong tao, guys. I don't watch horror films and stuff like that. As in, hindi ko talaga kaya manood. Na-overcome ko naman siya. And so far, wala pa naman akong experience with ghosts or anything unusual or really scary. My technique of overcoming my fear of sleeping alone is that I turn on the light, like yung main light talaga ng bedroom, hindi dim light, guys ha. Naka-turn on lang yun magdamag, tas gigising na lang ako, doon ko na lang siya ito-turn off kinabukasan. And ginagawa ko pa rin siya from time to time. And I only turn it off pag sobrang antok na ako. Alam niyo yung pagkahiga mo, like, tulog ka na agad pagkahiga mo. Doon lang ako nagkaka-courage patayin yung ilaw. And also, I pray. And buti na lang, hindi talaga ako mahilig sa horror movies or anything that would provoke my mind into scaring myself. Next question, how do you handle your expenses? Dami mo pa din kasi pang Shopee. Curious lang, love you. Well, super cute ng tanong niya. I don't really know how else I could put it, but it's kind of like part of my job as a content creator since I earn from those hauls. If you guys didn't know, yes, we earn from hauls like that. May affiliate links din kasi. And also, some brands pay us to, you know, do hauls. So basically, whatever money I spend on hauls, yun yung magiging puhunan ko. So I could earn sa mga susunod kong videos. So I wouldn't starve myself to death and afford this type of living. I must get that bread and do shopping. But also, I experienced being a broke college student. Like, before pandemic pa to, na-experience ko yung hindi pa ako ganito kumita noon sa YouTube, hindi pa uso yung mga hauls noon. I'm gonna make a separate video about that. Parang story time siya. And feeling ko maganda i-share din yun sa inyo someday. Let's play this. This is my favorite underrated song of Ariana. Midnight shadow.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. Cause I love you, baby.
Okay, next question. How did you convince your parents that you want to live alone? There were like 2 reasons kung bakit nila ako pinayagan. And number 1 would be location. Although hindi naman kami nakatira sa province, sa Metro Manila area lang din. But for convenience sake, pinayagan nila ako. And then number 2, I needed my own space. since back at our parents' house, I didn't have my own room. I shared room with my siblings. And then yung parang studio ko, I shared it with my relatives. Parang storage area nila yun. Tapos ginawa kong studio yung kalahati. And then there was a time na pinaalis na ako doon. So I didn't have any space for me to film. Kaya dati naalala ko, nag-rent pa ako ng mga photo studio noon. Like yung mga per hour para makashoot ako ng content na maayos. So as a bunso of the family, I think it was really hard, most especially for my dad, na payagan ako mag-move out. But then I told them that I really needed to do it for my growth in so many aspects, hindi lang sa pag-YouTube. And sinabi ko naman na kaya ko nang i-support yung sarili ko financially. Before pa ako mag-move out, mga 1 year na yon, before ako mag-move out, hindi na ako humihingi kina mama at papa. Kaya siguro nakita nila na kaya ko naman na. And I'm really grateful that they were so supportive of my decision. So I have a Zoom meeting in a few minutes, so it's time for me to make myself look like a human. But anyway, it's finally time for me to share my newest favorite Snail White product, and it is the Snail White Beauty Glow Drops. Oh my gosh, you guys. This one's super nice. If you want that glowy, dewy, glass skin look, this one's perfect. All you have to do is just pour 3 drops. One at the forehead, here, and over here. And this one has vitamin C, which evens out my skin tone. And it's perfect as a makeup base, or if you just want to make your skin look all glowy and dewy. And it also has hyaluronic acid, which is perfect for hydrating your skin. But at the same time, I really like it because wala siya yung greasy na feeling, and my skin just feels plump and supple. Like, look at that. My skin instantly looks so glowy. And this one reminds me of the Glossier Future Dew, yung nag-order pa ako nun sa States kasi ang ganda nung parang glass skin look. Kasi di ba nauso yung glass skin look like last year? So I bought that, and that was almost thrice or twice the price of this one kasi nasa 795 to, if I'm not mistaken. And it also has nature's super oils that nourishes the skin, that delays the signs of premature aging. Yung consistency niya, para siyang serum, but at the same time, it's not heavy or greasy at all upon applied. So, I really love this one. And you guys saw kung gaano ka-dull yung skin ko earlier since hindi talaga ako nag-makeup kanina. And compared to now, super cool talaga nung instant glow effect. Oh my god, ang ganda! And this product is super perfect for me because I usually go for yung mga no makeup look talaga, like yung natural lang. So this one would really illuminate my skin. Also, I've been loving this Essie & Co na brow gel. Naubusan na kasi ako nung Benefit Gimme Brow. And then, I've been loving this lippy. I'll be linking it below. It's in the shade Ava. Ganda niya for morena. I don't have an eyelash curler right now. Mine broke, so I'm just gonna go straight to my lashes.
Pull back the sheet. The worlds that we see don't always look the same. Where words have no place and time has escaped. Ooh, that's where our hearts connect.
Okay, so for tracking my expenses, I use the Good Notes app on my iPad. And yung template na to, nakita ko lang siya sa YouTube. I'm gonna leave it below if ever mahanap ko man. But basically, I'm just using this kind of like monthly planner. So, this kind of system is very effective for me. Plus, nagaganahan ako magsulat for some reason. If you don't have an iPad, no worries. Maraming nabibiling ganito sa mga Shopee or Lazada na parang calendar na monthly planner na super mura lang. So, I just prefer to use it because I wanna go paperless. So, it looks like this. May mga days talaga na hindi ako gumagastos. Ito yung mga times na umuwi ako sa bahay. Nilista ko yung mga gastos ko for that day. For example, this one. Nagpa-deliver ako ng food. It's for 360 pesos. And then yung shipping fee was around 100. So, for the total, that is 490 plus 789 8 3. Oh my god, ang gastos ko pala. That's pretty much how I do it. Hi.
Bella poached eggs.
What?
Bella poached egg.
Why'd you have to call me that?
Bella poached egg misses you.
Miss you too.
It na-realize ko, oh my God, ang gastos kong tao.
Buti lang po.
Yeah, like, I realized I must be wiser with my money. Okay, next question. What are the pros and cons of living alone? Well, for me, the number one advantage would definitely be the silence that comes with it. Ako yung tao na ayoko talaga ng ingay. As in, if gusto ko mag-play ng music, I will play music. But other than that, I don't like noise. Most especially if I'm trying to be productive pag nag-aaral ako. Naguguluhan ako pag maingay and hindi ako makafocus. And also, I get to be more creative since I'm always kind of like self-reflecting, brainstorming. Since mag-isa lang ako, like pag naghuhugas ako ng plato, nag-iisip ako, pag naliligo ako, ganun. Parang lagi lang ako nagsi-self-reflect. And number two would definitely be the freedom that comes with it. And then the cons would definitely be doing everything alone din. Kasi kung hindi mo gagawin, walang gagawa para sa'yo. Like the dishes won't do itself. Kailangan mo talaga maghugas. You have to take out the trash while thinking about what meal you will eat later on. Tapos kailangan maglinis ka palagi para hindi mag-accumulate yung mga kalat. Welcome to Philippine Airlines. And my worst experience sa disadvantage na yun was when inatake ako na asthma ng biglaan. As in, hirap na ako huminga. Buti na lang yung kondo, katabi halos yung mercury drug nun. Kaya, I dragged myself to mercury drug kasi biglaan talaga hinahirapan ako huminga. And yung nebulizer ko sa kondo nun, parang kulang ata ng tube or sira siya. So, ayun, like, nagmakaawa pa ako dun sa mercury drug na pwede pong pakibilisan kasi nahirapan na po talaga ako huminga. Ganun, naiiyak na ako sobra. And hindi alam yun nila mama. So, ngayon lang nila malalaman. Okay na ako. I've learned from that experience. Nag-stock up na talaga ako ng mga gamot.
Said it again. Said what? Slapsgiving. Oh, I guess I... Vicious medical condition. Hey,
Se voltar, vou atrás. Vou pedir, vou falar.
Okay, so next question is, do you feel lonely sometimes? I think yes, most especially when you're eating alone. That's when it hits you, I swear. Kasi nothing can beat eating meals with your family. But other than that, I feel like I am genuinely happy with where I am right now because I feel like my personality is built with this type of lifestyle kasi very homebody talaga ako. And I think my content speaks for itself already. Like, mahilig ako mag-online shopping, magtahi, mag-decorate ng room, mag-DIY. But since most of my audience watch this content from me, I think it's also important to say na you shouldn't be in a rush to grow up. Honestly, if you would give me a chance to choose between me staying at home with my family and me living independently in this condo, I would definitely choose staying with my family dun sa house. But given the circumstances and my situation right now, na I'm all about hustling, you know, I'm balancing YouTube and school and I have a lot of plans ahead of me. I think this is the most convenient and practical option for me. But kung wala lahat yon, I would definitely choose to stay with my family because my parents are not getting any younger. Do not be so pressured with what's happening around you and do know that you have your own timeline and your time will come as well. So yeah, that's about it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Adulting Diaries episode. I would love to make more for you and I would answer more living alone questions along the way. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!